Hey guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have POCO X7 Pro and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store as in my situation. To fix it, tap on your games and go back to the main menu of your Google Play Store, choose your photo on the right corner and settings option, and with family and their parental controls. As you can see now, we have page 3. To visible all game from our Google Play Store, we need more than page 3. To change it, tap on it, enter your connect pin to your parental controls, and now we can easily change it from page 3 to maybe allow all included, underrated, confirm by coded, and save. We can also turn off it by our parental controls by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now, and we can install it. Thanks for watching. Bye.